Okay, folks, you got the Chinese 9800. We're going to start them up and cut a little pine, or not pine, maple. See how she goes. Let's take a see how she starts. I just put gas in it, so bear with me here, folks. Trying to find a spot for the camera, so we can videotape this. Didn't bring my whatchamacallit with me, my tripod, so just bear with me. Let's see what we can do. See if we get this thing started. First start of the Chinese saw here. Got choke on. Let's see if she'll start. Oh, we got sparkage. Well, folks, there it is. The Chinese saw. Turned out pretty good. Started right up. Let's try it again without choking it. Seemed like it'd be a good saw. Made quick work of that. Didn't cut up no big stuff, but we'll leave that to my son since it's his saw. There you go, folks. 9800 professional tools. Chinese saw, $77, delivered to my door. Well, I don't think you can go wrong with one. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about the Chinese 9800 professional tools. 20-inch bar, seemed to cut good, had no issues. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think. is. It cut good. It's a little loud, but for a 52cc saw, you can't go wrong. It's a man eater. It'll cut up wood quickly. I think that would work for any person that's looking to do a little bit of cutting. Maybe not professionally, maybe. Or maybe professionally. It says it's a professional, so we'll run it. My son will run it a while, and we'll run it through the test and see what it does. We'll give you an update on it once he's run it for a little bit. There it is. The 9800 Professional chainsaw from China. $77. I don't think you can beat it. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie out.